Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to organize your projects here in Stitch. Okay, so first up, as you can see here in the left panel or at the top left, here you have your projects. Okay, as you can see here, I have 4. Now let's say I wanted to download a project. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the main calculator interface project right here, or the app. There you go. Now, in here at the top left, you have a navigation bar. So just click on it. And as you can see here, we now have a ton of options. You can share the project, okay? Download the project, duplicate the project. Let's say you already liked this one and you wanted to further customize the project, but you don't want to mess around with this current project, okay? Well, duplicate is your option. Just click on it and just click on duplicate right here and just wait for it to load, okay? Now, another option right here is we do have the download project option. So just click on download, wait for it, and save it wherever you want. Okay, you can rename it if you want to as well. And do take note that it will be on a zip file. Click on save. Let's go ahead and open up the folder right here. Okay, there you go. Now, we have here the share options. You will have to invite someone to work with you in this specific project. Now you could edit, help right here, settings, okay? Basically tells you the daily limit and the daily redesign credit. So that's just basically it. If you want to delete the project, let's just go ahead and use the other project or the duplicate right here. Duplicate of main calculator interface. Click on it. Click on the navigation bar, click on delete, hit on delete. There you go. It's now gone. That's how easy it is to organize your projects here in Stitch. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.